the Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education,
will be.
College of Accountancy and Finance,
We will be what we believe.
College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
The future's in our hands.
College of Health Sciences,
The best is yet to come.
College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
It's TK rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This, that, I got.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
It's rainy Saturday, everyone, meaning it's Oragon Basketball League Day at ngayong hapon po, live na live po muli tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para maghatid po sa inyo ng maaaksyong laban. Of course, our first game, it will be USI FALCONS versus UNC-TRIFIT at kami po ang makakasama nyo para magbigay po sa inyo ng aksyon ngayong hapon na ito. Ako po, si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, team, talagang nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng ating hard court para masaksiyan ulit ang napakagandang mga games dito sa Oragon Basketball Elavil Cup. Again, live na live po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, Oragon Basketball League Facebook page at GNN-TV48 Naga. So yun nga, it's UNC-TRIFIT versus the USA FALCONS. So sino ang makakakuha ng una nilang panalo dito sa ligang ito, because on their previous game talagang medyo kinapos dito itong dalawang kupunan na ito, but at this moment parehong kupunan uhaw para makuha ang unang panalo dito sa ating liga. So yan ang tututukan natin dito sa ating araw na ito.
And of course, Rick, napakaganda po nung naging opening natin last week at napakaganda nung ating lineup ng mga laro. Talagang bakbakan kung bakbakan agad para sa 8 teams na kasali po sa Oragon Basketball League. At ngayon sa pangalawang pagkakataon, sino na naman po ang aarangkada at magpapakitang gilas. At nasabi mo na nga, Rick, USI FALCONS and UNC-TRIFIT hindi pa nakakatikim ng kanilang panalo dito sa liga. So ito yung talagang kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan para magtuloy-tuloy yung kanilang magandang momentum. Dito tayo sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda ng performance na binigay nila during their fight against NCF Tigers, but at the same time, kulang pa yung ipinakita nila dito. So now, with that span of a week, ano yung naging preparation dito ng UNC-TRIFIT to get their first win? Of course, dito sa UNC-TRIFIT, we have Batiansala, Caronan, Lavandero, Masinas na talagang napakaganda ng performance nila during that first game. So let's see kung magsa-step up ba itong mga tinutukoy nating mga players. And also, lahat ng players ng UNC-TRIFIT, they need to give their all. Kasi ito yun ito yung basketball na kahit hindi pa naman pa semi-finals o hindi pa finals, talagang they give their all na parang ito na yung last nilang laro. So let's see if yun yung ipapakita ng UNC-TRIFIT ngayon.
Yan, talagang nabanggit mo dito yung eagerness on the side of UNC-TRIFIT on that last match against the NCF Tigers. Pero kinapos nga dito itong ating UNC-TRIFIT, and you've mentioned their key players on their side. We have Batiansela na napakaganda when it comes to outside shooting, and of course Caronan, their team captain. Let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng magandang communication itong mga players ng UNC-TRIFIT together with their head coach, Coach Piggy, na I'm sure dito sa araw na ito isisigurado na mapapasa kanila ang unang win dito sa ating unang match sa OBL Elavil Cup. So yun, let's see as this game progresses kung ang UNC-TRIFIT ba magkakaroon ng magandang simula from the start of our first quarter up until the end. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. And of course, we have our two courtside reporters. On the side of UNC-TRIFIT, we have Kyla, and on the side of USI Falcons, we have Chen na talaga namang magbibigay sa atin ng mga impormasyon sa kanilang team. And speaking of our courtside reporter, let's go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Kyla, anong preparations dito at paghahandaan ba ito ng UNC-TRIFIT para dito versus sa USI Falcons? Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good afternoon, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world for watching us live via GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the first game for today, the USI Falcons versus the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Ako po, si Kyla Kasuya, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. After their first loss against NCF Tigers, they are now ready to bounce back and have their first ever win this season. For their preparation for this game against the Falcons, they focus on their defense dahil yan nga ang kulang sa kanila during their first game against the NCF Tigers. A while ago, as I talked with Coach Herman, he told me that they are devastated with their first loss, but they are now ready and eager and prepared enough to bounce back. They are ready to compete in the highest level. Coach Miggy will not be here, but Coach Herman will take charge of the team. Before the start of the game, he reminds the team to stick with the system, follow the game plan, and always put the defense first before the offense. And of course, be humble always inside the court. Yan muna ang update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Ching.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Now the UNC-TRIFIT ready to conquer the court against USI Falcons. At isa nga na sa nasabi dito ng ating courtside reporter na si Kyla, wala ngayon si Coach Miguel. Kaya naman si Assistant Coach Herman yung ating makikita ngayon kung paano ba yung magiging gameplay na gagawin dito. And of course, isa nga talaga sa pag-iigtingin nila is yung kanilang depensa dito na talagang medyo nakulangan tayo during that game against NCF Tigers. But now, let's see if ito na nga yung pinagplanuhan nila, pinag-igihan nila, at talagang pinractice nila with this week. And of course, sa side naman ng ating USI Falcons during that match against Ateneo Golden Knights, it was really good, pero still meron pang iaangat para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. And to hear an update, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick, and marhay na hapon mga Oragon. We will be now witnessing the match-up between the USI Falcons and the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. We are now on the second week of the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Ako po, si Chen Shaira S. Nicolas, at ako po muli ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng Falcons. So I've been speaking with their assistant coach, and let me tell you, Rick and Tin, that their preparation this week is to adjust their defense dahil ayon nga kay Coach Pops last game ay nakapag-commit sila ng maraming fouls na nagresulta sa pagkatalo nila sa Ateneo Golden Knights. So the entire week has been dedicated to tightening up their defense, focusing on discipline and smart play for them to have a better chance of winning. So keep tuning only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ano, maurag ka? Oragon! Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun, USA Falcons fell short on their previous match against the Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see dito sa araw na ito kung magiging maganda ba yung sinabi dito ni Chen na according to their coach na adjustment on their side. And of course, makikita natin dito kung meron ba silang eagerness or their dedication na makuha itong larong ito kontra dito sa UNC-TRIFIT, because we know these both teams talagang match na match when it comes to their offense and defense, because again, marami ng liga ang pinagharapan nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. And right now, OBL Elavil Cup, panibagong liga at panibagong aabangan ng mga manonood, at I'm sure everyone is excited, and these players are also excited to show their prowess inside the hardcourt. So in a short period of time, magsisimula na dito ang bakbakan between the UNC-TRIFIT versus USI Falcons. And syempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga College Foundation, Naga Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors, Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply. Thank you so much po sa inyong support, and of course sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa atin. Talagang from the very start nitong ating liga, nakapanood na sila at nakatutok dito sa OBL and up until now. Kaya maya-maya magsha-shoutout po tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers. And of course, sa mga malapit lang po dito sa ating venue, nasa NCF covered court po tayo sa mga basketball enthusiasts dyan na gustong makita itong mga magagandang matchup dito sa ating OBL. Ano pa po ang hinihintay nyo? Pumunta na kayo dito sa ating venue.
At ayun nga Rick, talagang exciting yung laban ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT and USI Falcons. Nabalikan lang natin dito sa side ng USI Falcons kasi during that first half of the matchup of USI Falcons and NCF or yung kalawan ng USI Falcons dito, isa talaga sa mga nag-step up dito. We have Asibor Del Rosario na napakaganda nung pinakita nilang performance during that matchup against Ateneo Golden Knights. So ngayon titingnan natin kung ganito pa rin yung laro ng USI Falcons kasi nag-start to during that last league na sinalihan ng USI Falcons. Talagang nag-step up, napakaganda ng performance dito ng mga players, and up until now nakikita natin yung determination dito ng mga players ng USI Falcons. Now we're seeing the first 5 on the side of USI Falcons. We have Del Rosario, one of the key players of Falcons, Asibor, Quijano, Doloso, and jersey number 17, Ravalo. And now for the side of UNC-TRIFIT, we have Sakido, Festin, jersey number 17, team captain Caronan. We also have jersey number 29 here, Kevin Taugan, na yung kapatid niya nga din po ay naglalaro sa side ng JB Hart. Now, tip off tayo dito. First ball possession, kanino kaya mapupunta? Now, let's see here. The matchup will start now. Kahit malamig sa labas, mainit-init yung ibibigay sa atin ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT and USI Falcons. Now, first ball possession goes on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Dafastine, heavily guarded here. Goes inside, too short for that one. USI Falcons now for their first basket. Let's see here. Asibor. Del Rosario with that first three. What a good basket to start this matchup against UNC-TRIFIT. And an early whistle foul. Ito yung sinasabi natin during that first half of USI against Ateneo Golden Knights. It was Del Rosario who stepped up dito sa side ng USI Falcons, and now he's doing it again. Kaya naman titignan natin kung he will continuously give us a good fight here. Consistency is the key for the players of USI Falcons.
Now TRIFIT with the ball possession, Taugan heavily guarded by Doloso and Ravalo with 8 to shoot. No good. Asibor secures that rebound on their side.
Another 3-point attempt on the side of USI Falcons. No good this time.
Sakido tatawid ng bola, forcing that one in, pero wala pa din para sa UNC. Meanwhile, Falcons with the ball possession.
Now it was a good start for USI Falcons having that 3-pointer coming from Del Rosario. Now another whistled foul here.
Now, Tin, you've mentioned earlier Del Rosario. We've seen him grow para dito sa ating basketball industry. Nakita natin siya sa ACLC and then now USI Falcons. And ngayon nasa OBL na din. So, Napakaganda ng nilaro dito ni Del Rosario. Nakita natin kung paano siya nag-grow as a basketball player, and right now, one of the key players on the side of USA Falcons. So a player to watch out para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
And of course, alam mo yun, during nung parang year ni Del Rosario on that ACL Seahawks, talagang ang ganda na ng performance na pinakita niya, and then nag-step up siya during that season 6 of Bicol, and then now OBL, isa pa rin siya talaga sa pinagkakatiwalaan dito. A great performance coming from this man, and now Ravalo snatching a point here, and now that's a 5-0 nothing run para sa USI Falcons. What a great start here. Now let's take a look at it again with that last sequence coming from Del Rosario. First basket dyan ng Falcons dito. Now another one. Del Rosario making sure that the first quarter will be full of intense basket. Again, it's 7-0 nothing run. Grabe yung USI Falcons ngayon. Now, ano yung pambawi after this timeout ng UNC-TRIFIT to have their first basket? 8-minute mark.
Yan ang aabangan natin dito. Napaaga yung pag-press on that timeout on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Let's see kung after that timeout, mabubuhayan na dito at magigising na itong UNC-TRIFIT, because 7-0, what a great start. Gaya nga nung nasabi mo on the side of USI Falcons. Now, Festin, heavily guarded here by Ravalo. Now, team captain, Caronan. Passing it to Taugan with 10 to shoot. Taugan unsuccessful in that attempt, and now Doloso secures that one. Passing it to Del Rosario, at matatawagan nga dito ng foul itong ating UNC-TRIFIT. Jersey number 14, Barcena. Now, medyo nahihirapan dito magkaroon ng point conversion ang side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Meanwhile, USI Falcons taking advantage on that gap and on that chaos na nagagawa dito sa pagsisimula ng ating UNC. Medyo magulo dito yung defense at offense on their side. Now, USI will try again. This time, Asibor was blocked. Doloso fires for 3. No good. And Caronan, maaagawan dito ni Doloso. What a move, but another foul was called on the side of TRIFIT. 28, Villaflor.
Now it's still the ball possession of USI Falcons here. 14 seconds to shoot. Now let's see, can they convert a point and widen that gap against UNC-TRIFIT? Now Doloso to inbound. 14 to shoot. Napin dito, Ravalo. Heavily guarded, tries. Still no good here for USI Falcons. Now an opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT to get their first basket. Villaflor, 15 to shoot. Passes on the other side. But a steal for Del Rosario. Still good. Now Sibor goes inside. Wala pa rin for USI Falcons. Nagmamadali dito, UNC-TRIFIT loses it. Asibor on that 3-point line. Passes to Doloso. Papasok. Offensive rebound. But a stop here for UNC-TRIFIT. Basinas. And that's it. They get their first basket here. Big things for Masinas. Now, naputol nila yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng USI Falcons in our first quarter. Now, Asibor for a quick 3. No good.
UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Villaflor, tatawid ng bola, passing it to their team captain. Again, they need a point. Taugan with 10 to shoot. Nice defense para dito kay Rapal on the side of Falcons, but no good. on the 3-point attempt coming from Masinas. USI Falcons has the chance here to add their score as si Borto Doloso. And Doloso flying and scoring on the side of USI Falcons. So, what a start para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
Actually, Rick, ito yung pinoint out dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT na kailangan nila ng magandang depensa. But at the same time, seeing this first half of the first quarter, nakikita natin medyo hindi pa masyadong buo yung depensang pinapakita ng UNC-TRIFIT. And they need to do something about that. Kasi yung USI Falcons, dire-diretso, di alintana yung mga gwardiya dyan sa baba. So that now a 7-point lead coming from USI Falcons. Let's see here, Ravalo tries for a 3-pointer. No good. Now ito yung kailangang kunan ng opportunity nitong UNC-TRIFIT. Now let's see if they can get it. Now Taugan. No good.
Toloso with that rebound. Nagmamadali. Passing ito Asibor. Back to him. And foul was whistled on that last sequence. Now, this USI Falcons, so far so good. Talagang patuloy dito yung kanilang nasimula na sa pagsisimula din sa first quarter. Very consistent para dito sa ating first quarter. 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. So let's see kung up until the end of this first quarter, magiging maganda itong pinapakita ng ating USI Falcons. Meanwhile, UNC-TRIFIT, they really need to make an effort at mabuhay na nga dito because again, yun yung nabanggit dito ng kanilang assistant coach. Depensa ang kailangan nila dito, Coach Herman, na banggit na ito sa kanyang players na medyo nga bitin dito yung depensa pinapakita at hindi solid yung ginagawa nila. That's why nakakalusot itong mga players ng ating USI Falcons. Kahit malilit ito, talagang hindi nila alintana yung matatangkad na depensa on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, which is, I think, an advantage on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Their height advantage, yan yung dapat nila dito paigtingin. Now, Venluan, no good on that attempt.
Now, it will be the ball possession of USI Falcons. Now, a great start for them. Kailangan lang nila maging consistent. And if they want to get this first quarter, kailangan pag-igtingin pa nila yung kanilang defense dito. Now, let's see here. Asibor passes to Perse. And same ball possession with 12 seconds to shoot. Isa din to si Perse. Nakita natin kasabayan din ng Del Rosario on that ACL Seahawks side. Now, Posada passes to Doloso. Del Rosario for a 3-pointer, and again, a big 3 points coming from Del Rosario. Brought to you by Elavil Philippines Incorporated. Napakaganda para dito kay Del Rosario. Ngayon, grabe pa yung hahabulin dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. They can get a good offense. They need to tighten their defense now because we only have 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining for our first quarter. But still, 2 points pa lang yung nagagawa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT and a loose defense. Now tries for Sarmiento. And UNC-TRIFIT kailangan gawa na ng paraan to. Dire-diretsuhin yung kanilang pagpuntos.
Del Rosario passing it to his teammate. Heavily guarded here. Posada. No good on that attempt. And Del Rosario forcing that foul on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Penalty will be given on the side of TRIFIT. Now Del Rosario on the free throw line for an opportunity again. Napakaganda ng performance dito sa ating first quarter nitong si Del Rosario. Outside shooting is on point. One more time for him.
Now Del Rosario much better Now, UNC-TRIFIT, a big 10-point lead of USI Falcons. Let's see here. Villaflor, 16 to shoot. Regarded here. Vilua, nakahanapin dito sa jersey number 27. Down to 8. Good defense for USI Falcons. Same ball possession.
What a defense on the side of Falcons. 5 seconds on the shot clock on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Now, 5 to shoot. Vinluan. Villaflor with that long 3, and they get it. Brought to you by MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, they really need this, pero ito naman, pusada, babawi for USI Falcons. Talaga namang paulan, kung paulan ng mga outside shooting dito for USI Falcons.
Yes, this is very effective on the side of Falcons. Their outside shooting. Villaflor with that offensive rebound. Goes inside and a block coming from Birse. Wow. Defense and offense all activated on the side of USI Falcons. USI Falcons, their first game here kontra sa ating Adlu Golden Knights. Nakita natin talagang very effective dito yung kanilang 3-point shooting. And now, one more attempt on that, but no good this time.
Now, mas nagiging liksa dito yung UNC-TRIFIT. And it was a foul. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now, Amaro on that free throw line. No good. Now, kahit yung mga free throws dito ng UNC-TRIFIT, kailangan makuha nila yan because it was a big 10-point lead coming from USI Falcons. Now, second free throw of Amaro. Now, sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, hindi pa tayo nakakakita ng medyo magandang gameplay dito, and we're craving for it, and of course the fans of UNC-TRIFIT. But for USI Falcons, lahat ng players dito nagtatrabaho. Napakaganda ng connection and communication inside the court of USI Falcons, and that is their advantage. Kaya kailangan lang nilang paigtingin yung ganoong gameplay dito sa first quarter. Now, let's see here.
Burse, first for 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Para dito kay jersey number 15. Now, Mirabueno with 2 shots. No good on that first attempt. One more time for him. 17-8 on our scoreboard, and USI Falcons clearly dominating this first quarter. And another foul was committed on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Ito din yung kailangan nila ditong i-minimize their errors, because again, itong USI Falcons, sila dito yung may magandang advantage para sa first quarter. Berse getting that one in. One more time for him. And 2 clean basket on the side of Falcons. Now UNC-TRIFIT, they need their ball possession successful every time na nasa kanila dito yung bola.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT here.
Basket count with foul. Let's see on our instant replay. Villaflor making sure na magkakaroon sila dito ng puntos. Samahan pa yan dito ng free throw.
No good on that one. Still a 9-point lead here of USI Falcons.
Ciruelos to Burse. Now Posada. Looking for his teammate. Berse forcing that one, but defense on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Ball will remain on their side with 10 to shoot and 1 minute and 51 seconds on our game clock. Ciruelos to Posada. Great block coming from the TRIFIT side. And Villaflor stealing that one. Pero no good. But the ball possession will go on the side of TRIFIT one more time.
Bueno nga dito yung tatawagan ng foul sa side ng USI Falcons. A minute and 37 remaining here. 17 seconds to shoot. Now let's see here. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Same ball possession with 16 to shoot. Now UNC-TRIFIT here. Jersey number 7. Now let's see. They can convert a point here. Heavily guarded. Step back for a 3-pointer. No good. Nagkakagawan dito. Offensive rebound. Amaro. Long 3. No good. For the third time for UNC-TRIFIT. 10 seconds. And Villaflor gets it.
So far, Villaflor team ang nagtatrabaho dito on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. We need his teammate at this moment.
No. Let's see here. 58 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And Posada getting that basket. Small but incredible para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. Now, UNC-TRIFIT. Good defense for USI Falcons. Villaflor, one more time here. And that's good. Brought to you by 3M Bakery. Now, paunti-unti kinukuha nitong UNC-TRIFIT yung kanilang momentum dito. And with that 24 seconds remaining here, anong gagawin ng USI Falcons to maintain their lead? Now, Burse, heavily guarded, goes inside. Napakagandang move galing dito kay Burse.
And Oragon move on the side of Falcons. 10. That's the end of our first quarter. USI Falcons 23-15 overtaking the lead here para sa ating first match. We will be right back for our second quarter. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo,
And we are back for our second quarter of the matchup of UNC-TRIFIT and USI Falcons. And doon nga sa ating first quarter, what a great performance coming from USI Falcons, having that 8-point lead pagkatapos ng ating unang quarter. And now, during that first quarter, Rick, talagang nag-step up dito itong si Dal Rosario during that first minutes of first quarter. Napakaganda ng kanyang outside shooting dito. Pero at the same time, talagang nag-step up dito sina Burse, Mirabueno, Asibor, and Doloso. Kaya naman talagang tulong-tulong itong sa side ng USI Falcons, having that great gap from UNC-TRIFIT. At dito naman sa UNC-TRIFIT, though medyo nahirapan sila during that first minutes of that quarter, talagang nagawa nila ng paraan, humabol din sila, but at the same time, it was not enough during that quarter. So let's see sa pagpasok kayo ng second quarter, kung anong gagawin dito ng mga players ng UNC-TRIFIT, most especially Amaro. We have Villaflor na isa din dun sa mga magagandang performance during that halfway of first quarter. So now let's see here if they can close the gap here to 23-15. An 8-point lead of USI Falcons, but Estrada releasing a 3-pointer on that one, and it will be the first basket of UNC-TRIFIT dito sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. At yan, buhay na buhay nga yung UNC-TRIFIT, pero it will be a turnover for USI Falcons.
And an early timeout sa side ni Coach Tupe. Because slowly but surely, UNC-TRIFIT building their momentum and slowly closing the gap for this second quarter, 23-18. Kung kanina nakikita natin dito yung UNC-TRIFIT na medyo harap when it comes to their offense and defense. But at this moment, UNC-TRIFIT magandang pagsisimula dito sa ating second quarter. So talagang this basketball or ball game is very unpredictable at this moment. So let's see kung ano magiging adjustment on the side of USI Falcons. And to hear an update on their side, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita on your side?
Well, thank you Rick and Tin. Grabe, first quarter pa lang pinakitaan agad tayo ng Falcons ng kanilang preparation. Well, I can see their eagerness naman na nailaban at makuha ang kanilang unang palalo. Talagang trabaho, kung trabaho ang ginagawa sa loob ng hardcourt nila. Jersey number 25 Del Rosario at jersey number 22 Doloso para sa kanilang team. Kaya naman let's see kung magiging consistent pa ang kanilang ipinapakitang laro dito sa mga natitirang quarters. Yan lamang, and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga, consistency lang yung gagawin dito ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. So let's see if yun nga yung mangyayari dito, and they just need to stick on their game plan para sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, dahil napakaganda na nung ipinakita nila during that first quarter. They need to have a good run dito. And of course, syempre hindi din papatalo itong UNC-TRIFIT, knowing them. Magandang performance din yung ibabahagi dito. And dito nga sa ating second quarter, maganda yung pasok para sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. And let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment dito ng UNC-TRIFIT para makuha nila yung kalamangan dito against USI Falcons.
Now, to hear an update on the other side of things, UNC-TRIFIT, courtside reporter Kyla handang-handa na para sa kanyang report. Hi Kyla, kumusta?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and for this quarter, the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, handang-handa na silang bumawi. Baon ang mga paalala ni Coach Herman. During the huddle, Coach Herman continues to remind them to lessen their turnovers. Marami ang naitala during the first quarter. They need to double their effort, especially on their defense, lalo na sa kanilang pagbabox out. Coach Herman told the team to stay on their composure. Kailangan nilang sabayan ang pagiging aggressive ng USI Falcons. And for the last reminder, before the start of the second quarter, they need to communicate and always use their mind inside the court. Yan muna ang update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chin.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Up until now, ito yung pinapoint out dito ni Assistant Coach Herman na kailangan nilang paigtingin yung depensa nila because nakita naman natin during that first quarter hindi masyadong maganda yung build up ng depensa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. But let's see here if ito na yung gagawa nila ng paraan for our second quarter and also lessen the turnovers. Nakita naman natin kanina ang daming opportunity na sana meron itong UNC-TRIFIT but still hindi nila nakuha ito. And now doon nga, during that first quarter, we have jersey number 28, Villaflor sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT na talagang nag-step up dito sa side ng TRIFIT with 11 points and 2 assists. While on the other side, USI Falcons having Del Rosario with that great performance here. 9 points, 1 rebound, and 1 steal. And now, pause po muna tayo sa paglalaro dahil medyo malakas na nga po yung ulan natin dito. Talagang malamig na yung simoy ng hangin and minimake sure lang po natin na safe itong ating mga players. And also pinupunasan po muna yung ating court ngayon dito. But at the same time, dahil dyan, magpapasalamat po kami sa aming mga sponsors. Salamat sa Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Superb Cuts and Soul, KD Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Siruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nishi Rapa Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Bailey Wear Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, and Mangkok's Kinalas. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors.
And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out dito kay Jillian Magaja, kay Dimple Cristobal, kay Nicole, Andrea, Oliva, kay Karen Escaro, Carlo May Calleja, kay Aljon Pogoy, at kay Jolina Paharin. Thank you so much and happy watching. Ayan. So, this is an opportunity for these both teams magkaroon ng hustle with their teammates and with their coach. And when we come back, ipagpapatuloy na natin ang ating bakbakan between the Falcons and the UNC-TRIFIT OBL Elavil Cup. Oragon ka? Only here on One Media GN TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
It's TK rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with bravies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan.
completely, yo.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
It's DJ rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with bravies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto laging naming bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
It's TK rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
It's TK rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay
And we are back for this matchup of USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT. At ayan nga po, medyo humina na yung ulan kaya tuloy-tuloy na po ang bakbakan ng ating dalawang koponan. Nagtapos nga po tayo sa 23-18, a 5-point lead of USI Falcons. At sa pagpahinga po ng ilang minuto, ano kaya yung nagawang strategy dito ng UNC-TRIFIT to really lessen that gap of USI Falcons and snatch the momentum para dito sa ating second quarter. 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Now, Deloso passes here to Siruelos. 9 to shoot. Asipor with that big three. Good comeback for USI Falcons, brought to you by Tigers Cafe. At ayan nga, doon sa pagpapahinga ng USI Falcons, isang malaking tres yung kanilang ibinigay dito. But on the other side, the UNC-TRIFIT, let's take a look at it again. As Asibor getting that two-step behind the three-point line. Now, Taugan for a three-point opportunity and he gets it. But still, the momentum is on the side of USI Falcons. A good performance coming from them, even after that short break. Now, Samadsad passes here to Siruelos. Now, Deloso. 13 seconds to shoot. What will they do now? Deloso back to Asibor one more time for a three-pointer. That is so great for USI Falcons. DELIGOLD Philippines para sa tres ni Asibor. Now that's a 6-point straight coming from Asibor. Siya ngayon yung nagpapaulan dito ng magandang offense on the side of USI Falcons. And now, that will be the ball possession of USI Falcons. Now USI on the offense. 29-21. Back to 8-point lead. Now, si Oragon with the ball. Mainit-init para dito sa second quarter. Passes here to Baita. Heavily guarded. Asibor, pinabantayan na dito. Asibor goes inside. Heavily guarded by Sarmiento. Now, Deloso naman ngayon titira ng tres. No good.
Festin getting that ball on the side of UNC. The foul was called on the side of USI Falcons. Festin on the free throw opportunity. (29-21) on our scoreboard. Kailangan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT ng napakagandang opensa if they want to tie this matchup or even cut the lead or overtake the lead on the side of USI Falcons. No good on that second attempt coming from Festin. Toloso may hawak ng bola, passing it to his teammate, no good. Now Caronan. Wow, what a move coming from Caronan on that last play. Si Borto Deloso passing it to Siruelos with 8 seconds to shoot. No good para kay Sibor. Now UNC-TRIFIT ang may dala ng bola dito, Taugan passing it to Sarmiento. Wow, what a fast play and a good communication on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And with that, napapatawag dito or napatawag dito ng timeout itong USI Falcons.
And with that, tatlong puntos na nga yung naibaba dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. It was a good second quarter para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. Ito yung sinasabi natin na bumawi talaga sila dito. And now, let's see if this will continue with that 3-point gap of USI Falcons. Ngayon, ito naman, yung kupunan naman nila dito yung kailangan gumawa ng paraan para mas umarangkada sila, bumalik yung momentum sa kanilang side because the UNC-TRIFIT andito na. Napakaganda na ulit ng momentum na ginagawa nila dito. Consistency yung kailangan nila dito. Yung depensa nila, mas lalo nilang kailangan paigtingin. So let's see after this timeout if UNC-TRIFIT can snatch the lead here or USI Falcons babalik muli dun sa magandang momentum na binuild nila during that first quarter. Now, Ciruelos, almost halfway of our second quarter. Now si Bor passes to Ciruelos. Nakihano heavily guarded. 14 seconds to shoot. Now si Bor. To the other side. Napakagandang depensa ng UNC-TRIFIT and a traveling violation committed by USI Falcons. This is what we're talking about here. The defense of UNC-TRIFIT now pulling up para dito sa ating second quarter. Let's see. Sarmiento. Passes to Taugan. Goes inside to Caronan. And with that, Rick, just a point lead of USI Falcons. What a change of momentum here.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda ng kanilang second quarter dito sa laro, but on that last sequence, Del Rosario getting 2 points on their side. Caronan passing it to the wrong person. Falcons with the ball. Del Rosario passing it to his teammate. And jersey number 22, Doloso, getting a point. 33-28. So wow, umiinit na dito itong dalawang kupunan. Both teams are really trying their best here to have a beautiful point conversion. Sarmiento fires for 3 and clean basket for him. That 3 points is brought to us by Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Second shot po. Great steal para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. Taugan. Hawak ng bola. No good on that attempt. Kasi Bor naman ngayon. And no good para doon kay Del Rosario. Now UNC with the ball possession. Fires for 3. No good. There's an opportunity. Now, both teams are aiming for a point here. And USA Falcons getting that 2 points. And mapapatawag dito ang kanilang kupunan ng timeout because again, UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda ng pinapakita dito sa ating second quarter. 35-31. Wow. Grabe yung hinabol dito at itrinabahon itong UNC-TRIFIT. Let's take a look one more time for our highlights here sa ating pangalawang quarter.
Now, this 4-point lead of USI Falcons, they need to work more if they want to get this win. But for UNC-TRIFIT, it is a good chance for them, an opportunity para talagang sunod-sunod na yung magandang momentum na magawa nila dito with the second quarter. Napakabilis lang po ng ating oras. So this is a battle of these two great teams. Now UNC-TRIFIT here with the offense. With the floor. Asking for a screen here. Now Caronan tries, too short. Sarmiento was there and a whistled foul. Quijano yung tatawagan dito ng foul sa side ng USI Falcons. Now Sarmiento on that Free throw line for 2 shots here. Let's see it. 35-31. Now just a 2-point lead here of USI Falcons. Can they widen that with a ball possession? Asibor, no good. Now an opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. Karunan to try, no good. Mabilisan na para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. An intense matchup. And that ball possession will go on sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Now they need to make sure that this ball possession is successful to tie the game or even take on a 1-point lead. Now Masinas passes here to Sarmiento. 18 seconds to shoot. Villaflor ngayon, heavily guarded. Now let's see, 12 seconds to shoot. Goes inside with a foul. Now let's take a look at it again. What a spin here for Sakido, ending it with a foul. And that's it. UNC-TRIFIT first time makakuha yung isang puntos na kalamangan against USI Falcons. This is a great start for their momentum. Nakihano passes here to Asibor. USI Falcons ngayon yung kailangan makakuha ng puntos. The whistled foul para kay team captain Karunan. Now let's take a look at it again. 14 seconds to shoot here. Remaining 2 minutes of our first half. A quick 3. No good.
Sakido getting a point on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And with that, UNC naman ngayon ang nasa upper hand ng ating laro.
UNC-TRIFIT having a great momentum with this remaining minutes of our second quarter. Now Villaflor heavily guarded here, asking for a screen. Diretso with that good offense.
Wow! What a move para kay Villaflor again. Isa sa mga nag-stand out on our first quarter dito sa ating laro, and still coming from Masinas, and back-to-back points on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. So looking good para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter.
Now, yung game plan and laro dito ng USI Falcons that we've seen during that first quarter slowly turning in sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. But Quijano getting that basket, making sure na yung gap of UNC-TRIFIT will not be big.
Yes. 33 seconds remaining for this first half. UNC with the basketball here.
27 seconds remaining.
Kido, no good. And then to the loser. Now, USI agawan ng bola. Great still coming from Sarmiento. And now Sakido, Orlando Villaflor, passing it to their teammates. But a whistle on the side of USI. They are now on the penalty situation. Sakido on the 2 shots to add their score here.
Now Sakido, 2 free throws here. 37-42. That's good. Now, 6-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT, the biggest lead that they have against USI Falcons. Sakito to make it much more bigger. And with that remaining 9 seconds, let's see on what will be the game plan of USI Falcons here. Can they get a point? Tries for a 3-pointer, and Chasey, number 17, Ravalo, getting that basket, ending the second quarter with a bang, 40-44. What a great performance from these two teams. We will be back for our second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay,
And we are back for our second half of our first matchup, UNC-TRIFIT and USI Falcons. And as we are seeing right now, 40-44 on our scoreboard. And it changed up momentum here because UNC-TRIFIT, nakuha nila yung napakagandang momentum during that last few minutes of our second quarter. And now a good start ulit para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. But before anything else, we would like to thank Chef Buster for our lunch today. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And now, during that first half of the game, Rick, napakaganda ng performance dito ng both teams, USI Falcons and the UNC-TRIFIT. But let's give it to UNC-TRIFIT for that second quarter. Again, Villaflor, jersey number 28 sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Ito yung talagang nag-step up dito. And even on that first quarter, siya rin yung nagbigay ng puntos dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. And consistency, yung hawak-hawak niya ngayon dito. So let's see if up until the third quarter, ganito yung gagawin ng UNC-TRIFIT because 6-point lead, malaki-laki na po yung hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see again here dahil nasa kanila mula yung kanilang ball possession here. Now Villaflor heavily guarded here. What will they do? At para malaman natin kung anong gagawin ng UNC-TRIFIT to maintain this good performance of their team, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup at tuluyan na ngang nakahabol at nakabawi ang UNC-TRIFIT Naga after all the reminders of Coach Herman. Talaga namang ito'y kanilang sinunod. During the huddle, Coach Herman reminds the team to always step up, lalo na pag nagkakamali ang kanilang teammate. Walang sisihan, always share the ball, at makisabayan sa pisikalan, gamitin ang kanilang advantage. They need to double their efforts so that they will be consistent on their play and especially on their offense and defense. No room for complacency and they need to continue a good performance and always stay under composure. Yan muna ang update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
And thank you so much, Carla, for that update. So yun nga, UNC-TRIFIT. What a momentum, what a turn of events para dito sa ating laro. Now, their team is on the lead at this moment, 48-41. So, napakaganda ng mga ginawang adjustment dito ng players on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. So, let's see kung magiging consistent sila at ayaw na nilang ipakuha yung kalamangan on their side. And to hear an update naman sa kabilang dako, we have Chen Shara to give us an update kung ano ang gagawin adjustment naman on their side because they are down here. Yes, our Falcons courtside reporter. Anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and T. In the second quarter is really something dahil git-gitan nga ang laban ng dalawang kupunan as the USI Falcons momentum is snatched by the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Para naman dito sa ating second half, their adjustment ay bibigyan na ng nakakasakal na depensa at ika nga ni jersey number 3 Asibor. Communication at start strong ika ni jersey number 22 Doloso. Last reminder lang during the huddle na huwag madaliin pero habulin ang dapat habulin. Trabahuhin at bawiin ang momentum. Yan lamang and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga yung gagawin ngayon ng USI Falcons to stay on their gameplay here. A good communication between the players, yun talagang kailangan nilang gawin ngayon. And to get back their momentum during that first half of the game. Because as we can see right now, UNC-TRIFIT still stealing and getting a good fight for our third quarter. Now 41-50, a big 9-point lead here. Now let's see here, Asibor, 10 seconds to shoot here. Anong gagawin dito? Burse. Heavily guarded. Goes inside, passes to Quijano. Quijano, too short for that one. And UNC-TRIFIT, an opportunity arises and Caronan gets it for a double-digit lead for UNC-TRIFIT. Ngayon, umarangkada yung laro ng team captain nilang si Caronan. So, it's a good point para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT.
Doloso getting a point this time. Yun ang kailangan dito ng ating USA Falcons to break the momentum on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, let's see kung papayag ba ang UNC at anong magiging sagot dito on that last point conversion. Lavandero passing it to Taugan, and a great steal coming from Asibor. And a foul was called on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Lavandero.
So, bibigyan ng warning dito sa side ng bench ng UNC-TRIFIT. But now, Asibor. 2 free throws, 43-52. Now, first free throw of Asibor. That's good. Now, second free throw of Asibor. And that's good. Now, an 8-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, let's see here. Kung itong UNC-TRIFIT mas palalawigin pa yung kalamangan na hawak nila ngayon dito. Fastin. Passes here to jersey number 19, but is still here coming from Asibor. Dire-derecho. Burse getting that basket. Ito yung kailangan ngayon ng USI Falcons. One more time for UNC. Fastin.
Taugan with that long tee. No good. The ball will go on the side of UNC. Fastin to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot. Fastin again.
And with that, mapapatawag ng timeout dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT with that point coming from Burse. And again, USI Falcons nag-iingay muli dito sa ating third quarter at naibaba na lamang po sa tatlo ang kanilang kalamangan. Now, ito na yung paglalabanan ng ating dalawang kupunan with these 2 remaining quarters of the game. Ano yung gagawin nila? Most especially UNC-TRIFIT, nasa kanila yung kalamangan. So, nasa kanila din yung advantage dito para makuha yung magandang momentum ng third quarter. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining here. With this ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT, a 3-point lead coming from their team. Kailangan paigtingin nila dito yung kanilang depensa kasi USI Falcons paunti-unti ulit binabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak nila. Now, jersey number 27 with the ball. Passes to Coronan. Now, sayang para dito kay Sarmiento. Still no good for that second chance. And USI Falcons, an opportunity arises. Ravalo passes to Deloso. Now Deloso goes to the Rosario. No good. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Nagmamadali dito. Coronan loses that ball. Ravalo one more time. No good. But Burse nasa ibaba with a foul. Now a 3-point opportunity for USI Falcons. This free throw is very important para dito sa Falcons to tie the game again. And an opportunity for them para muling ibalik yung kalamangan sa kanilang side. Now Burse for his 3-point opportunity here. No good. UNC-TRIFIT. Ravalo ngayon and Burse. Napakaganda ng performance during this third quarter of the game. Now, titira. Second chance point para dito kay Taugan. Hindi pa rin pinapakawalan ng UNC-TRIFIT yung kanilang magandang momentum.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT basketball. And a quick shout out to Sir Michael, head of the OBL Commissioners and owner of the Save Gasoline. Thank you so much for your support. Now, Taugan passing it to Sarmiento. Offensive rebound coming from Masinas and 2 shots for him. 54-51. Napakaganda nitong ating pangatlong quarter. Napakadikit ng ating score. Both teams talagang gustong-gustong manalo dito sa ating laro. Masinas no good on that first attempt.
Now still a 3-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT.
And clean basket on that last attempt coming from Masinas. Meanwhile, 3 points para dito kay Acevar, and that beautiful 3 points is brought to us by TRDV and Construction Supply. At kitang-kita on that instant replay, Acevar getting a foul.
Now 54-55.
Napakaganda nung ginawa doon ni Acevar. And another opportunity for their team here to tie this matchup. And yun nga, deadlock at 55. Wow, USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Talagang pinapakitaan tayo dito ng napakagandang basketball game.
Now Acevar one more time here. And a perfect 2 free throws. Ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT. 56-55. A point lead of USI Falcons. Balik muli yung isang puntos sa kalamangan sa kanilang kupunan. So let's see here as UNC-TRIFIT with the ball. Anong gagawin nila dito pambawi? Villaflor. Really guarded here. Tries for a 3-pointer. May pambawi din naman itong UNC-TRIFIT, brought to you by MNL KINGPIN. Now UNC-TRIFIT talagang andyan pa rin yung kanilang urge to win this game. And another 3-pointer coming from the side of USI Falcons, Ravalo.
Wow, an exchange of 3 for these both teams. Wow, 1-point lead on the side of Falcons, UNC-TRIFIT. On the offense, and a foul was called on the side of Falcons, courtesy of Perse. Let's take a look one more time on our replay. Villaflor nakakapasok pa lang on the side of TRIFIT. Makakakuha na ng tres. Villaflor. One more time, 4-3. Naga this time.
Now, Villaflor, alam naman natin kung paano siya maglaro during that first quarter up until the third quarter. Mainit pa rin yung ibinibigay niyang puntos dito para sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. So, let's see if he will continue this kind of gameplay. UNC-TRIFIT with a ball possession. Taugan. Heavily guarded here. Passes on the other side. No good. Offensive rebound. Taugan to Sarmiento. Loses that ball, pero mananatili yung bola sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT with 9 seconds to shoot.
Now, 9 seconds on our shot clock. Masinas sa mid-range jumper, no good. Barca secures that one, pero wow. Turnover, unfortunately, on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, and with that, Falcons with the basketball and has the chance here to add their 1-point lead. Ravalo
Itong si Ravelo, mainit para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. So, dahil dyan nga yung iba niyang teammates Doloso, Asibor, talagang tulong-tulong itong sa side ng USI Falcons to convert a point. But UNC-TRIFIT right now, what a good defense coming from USI Falcons.
Villaflor this time goes inside, but traveling violation was called on him, and traveling violation is more fun with Naga yung traveling tours.
Now, lost opportunity para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. At isang puntos nga yung inahabol nila against USI Falcons. Now, 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Let's see here, USI Falcons with the ball possession. Can they take the lead here? Now, Burse asking for a screen from Berse. Now, Ravalo, one more time with that ball. Binabantayan talaga. Pero he's still here coming from UNC-TRIFIT.
Ravelo with that steal, passing it to Asibor and Doloso. Wow, the connection between those players on the side of Falcons. Wow. This time, nasa kanila dito ang kalamangan, but a 3 para kay Taugan. Wow. The basketball action continues for these both teams. Napakaganda ng exchange of points para dito sa ating third quarter.
And also Rick sa side ng USI Falcons. Ito kasi yung in-emphasize nila during that huddle na kailangan nila ng magandang connection sa mga players. At ito yung ginagawa nila mas lalo na doon sa last sequence nitong si Doloso and Asibor. Pero Taugan naman ngayon sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT having a 5 straight points here. And nasa side nga ng UNC-TRIFIT yung 2 puntos na kalamangan. Now let's see. Burse, no good. Offensive rebound. Burse naman ngayon to tie the game 63 all with 28 seconds remaining.
What a close match. Close fight between these two teams now. Villaflor passing it to Taugan. Heavily guided here. 10 seconds to shoot. And the UNC-TRIFIT again take on the lead.
Now 5 to shoot here for USI. But stepping on the line here, very crucial turnover for Falcons. Now 3 seconds remaining. What will happen now? Will UNC-TRIFIT can get a point here and widen that gap? Taugan releases a 3. No good. And tinapos nga po natin ang ating third quarter, 63-65 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT. Now let's take a look at it again as Taugan isa din sa nagpakitang gilas dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT as well as do sa side naman ng ating USI Falcons. A lot of good gameplay sa kanilang side. Connection, yun talaga yung kailangan nila ngayon dito. At sa ating pagbabalik po, it will be the last quarter for this match of USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back again para sa ating fourth and last quarter of the game of USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT. And sa score po natin ngayon, 63-65, talagang nagpapakita ng isang intense at magandang aksyong napanood natin during the third quarter. And now, with this last quarter, Rick, anong gagawin ng USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT to get their first win this afternoon? And after their loss last week, we can see the determination between these two teams. Now, USI Falcons to start the quarter Nagkakaanuhan pa dito sa bola. Now si Bor releases a 3 in and out ball.
Wow. Good defense. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, Sakido. Passing it to Villaflor. And Estrada with that big 3 on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Wow, great start para dito sa ating last quarter.
Now, si Estrada nang pumasok during that second quarter, if I'm not wrong. Napakaganda agad nung pinakita niya dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. And every time pumapasok siya sa side ng TRIFIT, talagang pumupuntos dito a good offense at matutulungan pa sila sa depensa against USI Falcons. And now, a good start para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. And another steal here. Villaflor. No good. Karunan, offensive rebound, but a whistle foul. 63-70. 20 seconds to shoot here. USI Falcons, 7 puntos yung kanilang hinahabol dito. So anong gagawin nila to snatch this win against UNC-TRIFIT? Yung communication ba nila gumana ba during the third quarter? The defense as well as the offense na talagang even sa ating first quarter, ito yung pinupush ni Coach Tope sa side ng USI Falcons. Now, 63-70 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, to hear an update para sa last quarter of the game, andyan po si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita sa side ng USI Falcons?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the fourth and last quarter of the game. Familiar ba sa inyo ang laro na ating natutunghayan ngayon? Yes, Rick and Tin. Natunghayan na natin to last game sa kanilang laro between the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman, the team showed significant improvement nga sa ating third quarter, leading to more effective plays and successful scoring opportunities. Kaya naman, this is their last push to finish this game strong. At iuwi na ang kanilang panalo. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shen, for that update. Yan nga. Ganito din yung nilaro ng USI Falcons on their previous match. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang kanilang kupunan because napatawag lang sila dito ng timeout. 74-63 on our scoreboard. What will be the adjustment on the side of Falcons? And on the other side of things, UNC-TRIFIT looking good para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth quarter. To hear an update on our courtside reporter, Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup and the game is getting more intense. Palitan ng puntos, opensa, depensa para magkaroon ng momentum. For the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, lamang pa rin sila against the Falcons. Coach Herman reminds us to never become complacent. Kailangan ibalik ang intensity ng laro during the second quarter na kung saan sila ay nakalamang ng malaking puntos. He reminds the team that the game is not yet over. Everyone should step up and they need to be all out to get this win. Kailangan na ngang ibigay lahat ng lakas, sigla, opensa at depensa para maipanalo at makuha na nila ang kanilang unang panalo for this season. Yan muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chi.
Thank you so much, Carla. Yan nga, no complacency at all sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. And as we can see right now, a very big gap agad yung pinagtrabahuhan dito ng UNC. And we're going to get on the last minutes of this game. So let's see here with 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining on what will really happen between this matchup of these two teams, USI and UNC. Now a whistled foul. And that ball will go on sa side ng USI Falcons. 65-74, 9-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. And at this moment, let's see kung ito bang UNC-TRIFIT can really get this win this afternoon. Talagang focus sila dun sa kanilang gameplay ngayon, game plan at all. Now, heavily guarded sa side ng UNC. 13. Tatawagan nga ng foul dito si jersey number 17 Caronan. Now si Ruelas to inbound and a ball possession for USI Falcons here. 14 seconds to shoot. Now Del Rosario passes to Asibor. Heavily guarded. Goes inside, passes to Quijano. That assist is brought to you by Bunny and Piggy Distributors. Napakagandang communication between the players of USI Falcons. Last sequence, Quijano and Asibor. Napakaganda para sa side ng USI Falcons. Another opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. Still no good. And Quijano snatch that ball dire-diretso para dito kay Burse. Grabe itong si Burse sa side ng USI Falcons. During the third quarter, ang ganda-ganda na nung pinakita niyang performance, and up until this last quarter, ganun pa rin yung ginagawa niya dito, making sure that the game plan and gameplay here sa side ng USI Falcons is still alive. Now still
back-to-back steal for both teams. Villaflor. No good on that attempt, but a foul was committed on the side of Falcons. 2 shots will be given para dito kay Sakido. And a quick shout out sa ating OBL Head Commissioner Maiko and other commissioners John Kirby Salvador, Pacoy Castillo, and Romel Rahel. Thank you so much po for your support and happy watching.
Now, during the third quarter of the game, Villaflor still giving his all dahil siya yung ating top scorer during that quarter. And sa side naman ng USI Falcons, we have Asibor. And speaking of Asibor, a 3-pointer coming from Julark Asibor, brought to you by Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks. And Asibor talagang lumalaban para sa side ng USI Falcons. 72-75 yung kaninang 9 na puntos na hilahabol ng USI Falcons, naibaba na lamang po nila sa 3. Now UNC-TRIFIT, Villaflor, Babayo with that clean basket. Now these players of UNC-TRIFIT and USI Falcons, a good performance coming from their team.
Another opportunity on their side. But a turnover para dito sa ating TRIFIT side. Now, Falcons on the offense. Burse.
Oo. Rick, ito yung sinasabi sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT na kahit malaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila bago pumasok yung fourth quarter, kailangan gawan pa rin nila ng paraan. Because looking at the score now, talagang humabol naman yung USI Falcons. So kailangan paigtingin ng UNC-TRIFIT yung kanilang opensa as well as their defense dahil lumulusot ito mga players ng USI Falcons. And now, looking at this lost opportunities for both teams, kailangan gawan na talaga nilang paraan because we're halfway through this last quarter. 5 minutes and 5. 72-78, a 6-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now let's see here as USI Falcons on the offense. 10 seconds to shoot. Asibor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Heavily guarded by Vinluan. Goes inside. A very smooth play coming from Asibor.
4-point lead ang hawak ng UNC-TRIFIT. Chance for them to add their lead here and secured this win against the Falcons. Villaflor fires for 3. No good. Alasario with that rebound. And the possession is still on the side of Falcons, but a timeout was called on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Let's take a look one more time on our highlights dito sa ating fourth quarter. This is a deja vu same situation on the side of Falcons kasi on their previous match against the ADNU Golden Knights, ganito rin yung ating mga nangyari. Ang score dikit, talagang hindi mo alam kung kanino mapupunta yung game. But let's see kung this time makukuha na dito ng Falcons yung minimiti nilang panalo, or will the UNC-TRIFIT continuously get their momentum and completely snatch this game against their opponent?
Yes, yun nga yung tanong eh. Ito na yung same situation ng USI Falcons against Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero yung naiiwan na lamang na katanungan sa atin, kung sa side ng USI Falcons, mangyayari ulit yung nangyari against Ateneo Golden Knights na hindi nila nakuha yung panalo, or will they fight this time to snatch their first win? Now Oragon to inbound. UNC-TRIFIT with a lead here. 4-point lead. Now Coronan tries mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound here. Now a 3-pointer, still no good.
Ciruelos passing it to his teammate, and Burse will fire for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Asibor. You really need this one. Asibor with that long 3, no good. Masinas passing it to their team captain, nagmamadali pero hindi pumasok on that last sequence on the side of TRIFIT. Meanwhile, yes, Falcons continuously aiming for that outside shooting.
Now, yung kailangan gawin ngayon ng USI Falcons to make every ball possession counts sa kanilang side. Kailangan relax lang, kumalma muna, huwag magmadali. Ito yung kailangan nila. They really need to make sure that lahat ng ball possession na meron sila, they can convert a point here. 74-78, 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining here. Still a lead coming from UNC-TRIFIT, and this is their ball possession. At nakita naman natin kung paano nilaban ng UNC-TRIFIT. Hindi man sila nakakuha ng magandang pagsisimula during that first quarter, but eventually on that remaining quarters, grabe yung pinakitang performance ng UNC-TRIFIT, most especially Villaflor, na talagang doble kayod para makuha yung paunti-unting kalamangan ng kanilang kupunan. Now, with a quick report coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT, we have our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Nasa uling 3 minuto na lang tayo ng laban na ito, and the momentum continues on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. They literally bounce back para maipanalo ang laban na ito. During the huddle, walang ibang paalala si Coach Herman kundi ang maging consistent sa uling minuto ng laro. Huwag magpapakampante at masi all out para sa siguradong panalo ngayong araw. Ang tanong, maipanalo kaya nila ito at makuha na ang kanilang unang panalo? Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyona. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
And thank you so much, Kyla, for that quick update. So yun nga, UNC-TRIFIT, no room for complacency because as you can see on our scoreboard, 78-76, both teams are eager to win this game. So matira matibay and good offense and defense, yan ang mananalo dito sa araw na ito kung sino ang may magandang offense at defense. And on the other side of things, USI Falcons, ano ang gagawin dito sa remaining time? Now, Chen, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Dean. Sumasangayon na nga ang panahon sa init ng laban na dito sa dalawang kupunan. Kaya naman kailangan na nilang ibigay ang all-out na galing para sa natitirang minuto. Yan lamang ang quick update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan na nga. Give their all. Both teams kailangan nang ibigay ang lahat-lahat dito. But at the same time, USI Falcons having a point advantage against UNC-TRIFIT. But let's see here after this last gameplay. Now, USI Falcons, an opportunity. No good. Coronan secured that ball. We are now on the last 2 minutes of the game here. Villaflor. No good. Ngayon pa, talaga yung mga ball possession ng UNC-TRIFIT na kailangan nila. Now, USI Falcons, anong gagawin dito para mas mapalaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila? Asibor taking his time. Passes to Deloso. This two big men of USI Falcons nagsama, nagpakitang gilas, and with that last sequence, USI Falcons getting a 3-point lead. Now let's take a look at it again. Diyan sa last sequence na yan, it was Del Rosario and USI Falcons giving us a good snapshots of their good communication inside the court here. At doon nga sa last sequence ni Asibor and Doloso, napakagandang connection nitong dalawang pinakamagaling sa kanilang kupunan, but the rest of the players of USI Falcons of course giving their all, and talagang ine-enjoy natin yung init ng panahon ngayon sa init ng laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT kailangang bumawi dito because again, USI Falcons on the run here para sa ating natitirang ilang minuto at segundo dito sa ating laro. Asibor and Doloso, this powerful duo on the side of Falcons, making an impact dito sa latter part ng ating fourth quarter. So anong sagot dito ng TRIFIT? Because they are the one na napakaganda yung momentum doon sa pagsimula ng fourth quarter. Taugan to inbound, passing it to Festin. Defense ang sinisigaw on the side of Falcons, and 3-point attempt not good para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT. Crucial para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, USI Falcons, an opportunity for them para mas mapalaki yung kalamangan and have an advantage with the remaining minute of this game. Del Rosario heavily guarded. Passes to Quijano. And that will be a 3-point opportunity here. Quijano, let's take a look at it again. Napakaganda niyan. Del Rosario passes to Quijano, getting that basket, ending it with a foul. And this time, USI Falcons with a 5-point lead against UNC-TRIFIT with a minute remaining. Biglang uminit yung panahon natin after nung malakas na ulan. Talagang sumusunod, sabi nga dito ng ating courtside Chen, sa takbo ng laro ng UNC and USI.
Now UNC has the chance to lessen the gap, and ball possession will go on the side of USI Falcons, and a foul was called on the side of TRIFIT. Taugan on that last sequence ang tatawagan ng foul. 83-78. Wow, kumakapit dito itong Falcons. They really need this game. Now UNC-TRIFIT, they need a perfection para dito sa ating natitirang ilang segundo. Now Asibor looking for his teammate. Doloso magpapakawala ng tres at walang daplos on the side of USI Falcons, and that Oragon 3-point shot was brought to us by Safe Gus. 20 seconds remaining for this game, and the USI Falcons fans are really feeling it at this moment. Congratulations para dito sa USI Falcons for that clutch game against the UNC-TRIFIT, and kudos din para dito sa UNC-TRIFIT for giving us a good fight, a good basketball match. And when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game on here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatid
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance,
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And there you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Safe Gas. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 3, Asibor, with 19 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. So congratulations on your big win against the UNC-TRIFIT. So it was a good start on your end, but UNC snatched it during the second half. How did your team recover from that 9-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT?
Yun, siguro, dinoble lang namin yung trabaho, lalong-lalo na sa depensa. Sabi nga sa amin ng coach namin na kailangan namin simulan talaga sa depensa bago yung opensa kasi darating na lang yun eh. Tapos yan, focus lang, then tiwala sa teammates, communication. Yun lang po.
Ayan, again, congratulations on your win. And ano pa ang gagawing adjustment ng sa FALCONS because the upcoming games, alam kong magiging maganda at intense ulit dito ang bakbakan.
Yan, sisimulan namin sa ensayo, dodoble namin yung effort namin, mag-go hard kami sa training, and yun po, yun lang.
And lastly, this is your time to shout out all the supporters na talaga namang sumusuporta dito sa USA Falcons.
Thank you po sa una-una kay Lord sa binigay niya sa aming panalo. And thank you din sa USA community. Thank you sa mga coaches namin sa pag-suporta sa amin. And sa USA, kay sister, thank you po. Kay Sir Dwight, thank you. Yan. Ma-shoutout po, pwede. Shoutout sa mga teammates ko. Yan. Sa family ko, sa family ng girlfriend ko, shoutout. Yan.
Again, congratulations on your big win, USA Falcons. And again, our best player of the game, jersey number 3, Jular Casibor.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3, Julark Asibor. Napakagandang performance coming from USI Falcons, but at the same time, napakaganda din ng performance na pinakita sa atin ng UNC-TRIFIT. And now for our second game, it will be the Corsido Mothers and the ACLC, at magandang laban na naman po muli ang ating mapapanood. Again, I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Huerta, tutok lamang sa pinakamainat na liga dito sa Bicol Region. Oragon Basketball League, Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!